Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. So I wanted to show you this Afro Kinky Curly custom unit that I made. My big sister, isn't she beautiful, guys, huh? So I posted this on my Instagram page and my Facebook page a couple days ago, and I got a lot of good feedback about it. So I wanted to show you what it looks like as I put it on. So there is no glue, no tape, no nothing underneath this. The only thing that's holding it down is the accessories on the inside and a band. I did keep it low density, one, because it's very curly hair. So, you know, after a while, us curly girls, we know the hair just gets bigger and bigger. So I only used about maybe a bundle and a quarter in the back, and in the front, just a lace frontal. I custom made her this unit with this texture because her natural hair is curly and she wanted something that will mimic her hair. So when she's out living her life, can't no one detect that it's an actual wig that she has on. You can't even tell the difference. It looks so natural. So I unraveled the twist and this was the outcome. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you aren't following me, you can hit the red button below, subscribe, give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and stay tuned. See you guys soon.
Woo, I got a bomb twist out. Wow, this looks amazing. Amazing. I love it. I love it. I love it. I've always wondered when there was going to be a natural wig coming out. Natural lace wig, finally! And I have one. Woohoo! Finally! Oh man! I was.
How gorgeous is that? Wow, this is stunning. For those that are looking to get a custom unit made, you can email me at codebluehair@gmail.com.